problem there. We're live at the Cannes Festival for the most awaited films. This time it's Benedetta. Before we talk about that, we're going to talk with Aïssa Maïga. Aïssa, come and see me.
Parce que Aïssa Maïga.
Aïssa Maïga.
Aïssa, ça va? Aïssa Maïga, vous êtes là pour présenter
You're
la section environnementale du festival.
in the environmental section for Walking on Water. Marché sur l'eau.
C'est un film que j'ai réalisé.
It's a film that I directed. It's a documentary. I filmed in Niger for a year, above water, in a village community where the Pole people, and they're totally nomadic. And with the climate change, they have to deal with a lack of water, which is appalling for them. And so it was incredible to film these people who are beautiful, powerful, courageous, resilient, and trying to show the world what's happening in the world because of climate warming, global warming. So you're a documentary filmmaker. After the documentary on black actors for Canal+, yes, there was Regard Noir for Canal+, and this is a second documentary, and maybe a fiction one day, I don't know. Why is it important for film to look into the environment, particularly in global warming? Well, cinema can give a voice to the voiceless. It can enable populations who are isolated from everything, who are cut off. It allows them to be visible all of a sudden. It's a vehicle of emotion. It's a way of pleading in their favor, inviting people to see the point of view of a director and to go out and meet the world. It's an extraordinary way of speeding up awareness, encouraging awareness, and getting more people to be aware of the environmental challenges. And this Cinema for Climate is important. That should be in Cannes. Well, Cannes is not out of the world. Cannes is part of the world. And you get the impression that you are elsewhere, but it's a festival which is rooted in the world and which needs to show that it's part of the time and that it's dealing with important questions like sexual equality, inclusion, the environment. And with a section like this, it's going to inspire, I hope, people to see these films that deal with these questions artistically and to be more and more present and to have these films which are more and more visible. Thank you very much, Aïssa.
Aïssa Maïga, donc, qui était avec nous.
Aïssa Maïga with us live on TV Festival.
Beaucoup de monde, donc
So a lot of people here for this new section created by Thierry Frémaux and his crews and his teams for the defense of the environment and films which deal with questions of the environment and climate, not just documentaries, there's also fiction films. There's one from Louis Garrel. This initiative is extremely intelligent and welcome.
Et il y a quelques instants, alors que
And a few moments ago, while Aïssa Maïga was there, we talked with Irène Jacob, who was here for a moment, which is very important for her. Here's the interview we had a few months ago. Irène Jacob is with us. Irène, you're in Cannes for the pleasure. You've got a film. I'm coming to present tomorrow, 30 years later, a restored version of The Double Life of Veronique in Cannes Classic, and is going to be a retrospective in the Cinematheque of Krzysztof Kieslowski's films in Paris. And so it's good to come 30 years later to present this film in a restored version, and I'm going to see a few films as well. The Double Life of Veronica changed your life, didn't it? How did it change your life? Well, it changed everything. I mean, it was an encounter which was essential for me, and I don't think that I don't act in the same way. I wouldn't have gone through my life in the same way. We've had an exceptional year. This year, this Cannes is not like others, even it is like others in a way. Are you aware of this? Did you see this? Did you need to get back into a film festival? It's so wonderful. It's great to be in a festival atmosphere. It's true that I'm coming from Avignon. There was Arles as well. People want to get together. They want to come and celebrate
aussi pendant le confinement, les films, la musique.
Everything that kept us going during the confinement, films, music, whatever.
De ces émotions.
We need these emotions.
La vraie vie.
So back to real life?
Enfin, ouais, du
Yeah,
live,
at last.
c'est sûr.
Live, that's sure.
Infiniment. Merci.
So thank you very much. Bye.
Je suis avec Lucien.
So I'm with Lucien Jean-Baptiste. Lucien Jean-Baptiste, you're a member of the jury for the CST here in Cannes.
Absolument, absolument.
Yes, tell us about what it is being a jury of this.
Mission supérieure.
Well, it's
Un prix.
is that we're going to give an award which is going to concern costumes, cameraman, DOP, whatever, people who are technicians of the film. We're going to look for artists among the technicians.
Beaucoup ici.
Ah oui, oui.
There's a lot of them here. There's a lot of them.
Non, mais c'est
Yes.
vrai, on oublie souvent.
I mean, very often people forget that it's not just one person. It's a whole team of people. Each one, they bring their talent. They bring, sound for image, so that we can see these wonderful films in Cannes.
Cannes, c'est pas une année comme les autres, tout le monde le dit.
So this year Cannes is not like other years in a way you could feel it as well.
C'est important pour vous de participer à ce
Is it important for you to take part
lancement du
in
cinéma.
this relaunch of cinema? Yeah, that's what we're here for. To give this boost to cinema and to cinema in theatres, because cinema never dies, never will die. But the theatres were closed.
Les salles sont
And so let's go. They've opened up again. Now we need to go into the theatres.
Vous travaillez sur un
Are you working on a film? Yeah, I'm going to be shooting with Alban Ivanov called La Traversée, produced by Vertigo, and then after that I'm going to be making my own feature film in January called Et Maintenant, and Now.
Et maintenant.
Et Maintenant, and Now, and Now, and now I'm going to go up the red carpet.
Lucien Jean-Baptiste donc, qui était avec nous.
So,
Et je crois que
Lucien Jean-Baptiste, Nicolas Maury is ready for us.
Nicolas,
Nicolas? Nicolas?
laisse finir votre bonbon.
I'll let you finish your sweet.
Nicolas Maury, vous êtes
So, Nicolas, you're with us. You're president of the jury for the Queer Palm. Is that important for you?
Bah, c'est très important.
Yeah, it's very important. I'm
Un jury absolument
with a jury which is outstanding,
qui est l'avenir.
a jury which is the future, because
Ça peut
queer
paraître un terme
might
défini,
seem a defined thing,
et
but
on va récompenser
it
le
can't be
film
defined.
cinématographique qui soit
I'm going
le plus
to
beau. Et je
find
vois
the
des
most
films
beautiful, most cinematographic film and wonderful films we've been seeing now for the past couple of days.
Liquide, on sait plus, mais le temps devient.
And we've sort of melted, time becomes liquid in Cannes here.
Non.
Are you going to argue? No, because curiously enough, it's a moment of grace, the jury.
On est en
I don't know. I mean, we're very intelligent, very delicate, and we try to welcome the films, and we'll talk about it afterwards. But the time being, we're welcoming them.
aurait dû être là, aurait dû monter les marches l'année dernière. On en a déjà parlé un
And so, Un Garçon Chiffon should have been here last year.
Non, c'est passé.
Is everything okay? No, it's not a painful experience. You mustn't be fatalistic. The destiny of a film is its destiny. It's a film that you can see, it stayed for a long time in theatres. Yeah, there's something, but it's like my film. You remember when we talked about it, there's something which is very
Après le deuxième film, ce sera beaucoup plus
textile in the film itself, very diaphanous in the film.
vécu. Le
And
pire, mais voilà, mes chiffres
I've lived much worse things like this, but the film is there,
en 2020, qui
and
était-
it was there. The selection 2020 was a historic selection, and so I'm thrilled.
Ouais,
So the next film's underway. Yeah, it started. Well, tell us a bit about it.
Ce sera un film qui va
But it'll be a
réparer
film which will
les morts et
repair
les vivants, qui
the
va
living and the
les
dead, which is going
réconcilier,
to
qui va
reconcile them,
réconcilier les fantômes du
reconcile
passé,
the
qui va
ghosts of the past.
être un film très amoureux
A
que j'ai
film
écrit
which
pour une
is
très
a
grande
film about love, and I've written for a very great actress.
L'actrice.
Ah ben non, je ne vous
Oh,
donnerai
allez.
pas ça.
Who's the actress? Oh, I'm not going to tell you.
Fait un petit passage dans Garçon Chiffon.
Was she in Garçon Chiffon?
D'accord,
Maybe.
Voilà. Merci.
There we are. Thank you very much. Thank you, Nicolas.
Qu'est-ce qui fait un petit passage, je le dis pour ceux qui... C'est Isabelle Huppert. Mais
Does
je
it-
ne
no,
dis
no.
rien de plus.
It's Isabelle Huppert, perhaps. I don't know. I say no more.
Voilà, donc nous étions avec Nicolas
So we're
Maury,
with Nicolas Maury,
président
president
du jury
of
de
the jury of the Queer Palm,
la récompense, les films
an award
LGBT
for
présents
LGBT plus films, present here
au festival dans toutes les
at the
catégories.
festival in all categories. So they're going to see a lot of
Le
films.
temps est liquide, nous a précisé Nicolas
So he
Maury.
said time is liquid here in Cannes. It's so true. It's so true.
Comment ça va, Zita?
How are you, Zita?
Pas Covid.
I'm not allowed to give you a hug, but it's okay. But yeah,
Zita, en gros,
my
vous
heart's
êtes
in
avec
it.
nous à Cannes.
Zita, you're with us in Cannes.
Vous êtes à Cannes.
Alors,
Why are you in Cannes?
je suis jury au Nespresso Talent avec la
I'm Nespresso Talent with Critics Week, and
remis
this week gave the International Award
français au
and
lauréat.
the prize to the winners. Who is it?
Vous avez donc remis le prix.
So you gave the award.
Ce sont des jeunes réalisateurs.
Now,
et
young
réalisatrices
directors
très talentueux.
who are very talented.
Je sais pas si c'est important de venir à Cannes pour vous.
Why is it important? I suppose it's important for you to come to Cannes.
C'est important.
Yeah, it's very
je pense que tout le monde a
important.
dit
I
ça,
think
mais c'est
everybody
vrai
says
qu'après
it,
cette
but
année,
this year,
d'absence de films, d'absence de
the
cinéma,
fact that hasn't been
c'est
cinemas open,
très important parce que
it's very important because it's our job. We love it.
Aussi d'offrir les
And we
films,
want
de
to
les
give
partager
films
parce
to
que
people,
c'est
share
quand même
the
le but.
films.
Et donc,
That's the
je suis
aim,
ravie.
and so I'm thrilled.
Je sais pas si on peut dire marrant ou triste ou bizarre. En tous les cas, je vous ai
Is it funny, sad, whatever?
Je vous ai interviewé
No, I
pour
can't hear a
il
thing.
y a même presque 6
So,
mois maintenant.
about 6 months ago, I interviewed you for
Alors,
Rouge, and it's coming out now.
C'était incroyable cette expérience.
That was an incredible
d'interview
experience,
un
this
peu-
interview, which
un peu
was
fantôme finalement
a bit
parce
of
qu'on ne
a
savait pas quand est-ce qu'allait sortir les
phantom
films.
ghost
Et là, on était
interview.
tellement heureux
Didn't know
d'apprendre
the film was
qu'il y
coming
avait
out, but
enfin
we
une date
found
de
out
sortie.
that finally it's being
Et,
released.
on a
We've got a
hâte,
date,
toute l'équipe, de partager
and
enfin
we
ce
want
film,
to
vraiment.
share this film.
Le 11 août, c'est ça?
Le 11 août.
Dans toutes les salles en France.
The 11th of August throughout France.
On
Yeah.
croise les doigts.
Thank you very much.
infiniment.
We're
Merci.
crossing our fingers. Thank you.
Zita Enro, donc.
Zita Enro.
Des réalisateurs à qui elle a donné des prix.
I actually forgot the name of the director they gave the award to, but that can happen.
Nous, on n'oublie pas qu'on est là pour la
We're here.
Mesquida qui est en train de monter.
Roxane Mesquida, I think, is there.
Il y a l'image, vous allez la voir dans un instant. Si.
I don't know if you can see her there.
Alors que Thierry Frémaux et
Pierre Frémaux et Pierre Lescure discussing with Lucien Jean-Baptiste.
Un monde présenté dans la sélection Un certain regard.
on va parler à deux
We're going to
réalisateurs
talk to two directors who've made a fairly surprising film called Truffle Hunters, Chasseurs de
qui auraient dû
Truffes.
être à Cannes l'année dernière.
Should have been here last year,
Sélection.
part of the selection.
Hello, how are you?
How are you? We saw you today. Your interview was outstanding, by the way.
Oh, thank
that
you
was
so
so
much.
much. Your questions were so insightful.
Very
That was
nice. You
wonderful.
haven't heard my question tonight. So guys, let me arrange it. Please. Voilà.
Thank you.
The strange adventure of your film. I mean, it's been all around the world, even in this year that was so special and so unusual. Truffle Hunters. How did you live that, guys? How did you went through this strange experience that was the career of your film?
Well, we're so happy that that the film has received such a big audience. I mean, we first made the film, we premiered it in Sundance, and we never showed it to an audience before. Before the day we showed the film, and all of a sudden we realized there was an audience for something like this, and it's a bit of escapism in the world where we all sat through a pandemic for a year and a half. Here's a world that's so joyful and so serene, and we're so glad to celebrate that with everybody.
And it was supposed to be in Cannes last year. Not too bumped up.
I mean, to be selected for Cannes, it was. I mean, I think it's every filmmaker's dream. It's the highest honor to be here this year, to be able to experience a festival in person after this very long year of waiting. It's really miraculous.
You know, guys, every time I eat some truffle pasta or truffle something, I'm thinking of you film. You know that. So thank you so much.
Well, thank you. It's an honor to be here. This is our dream, man. It's our dream to be the height of cinema. This is what we always wanted. So it's
You guys deserve everything you got. Thank you so much. Merci beaucoup. Merci infiniment.
Thank you so much.
Le film sort en salle.
The film is coming out on the 21st of July.
Ne le manquez pas.
Truffle Hunters, don't miss it.
Nous sommes sur
We're
les marches
on the red carpet of the 74th Cannes Film Festival, waiting for everybody from Benedetta,
réalisateur, le
the director, the wonderful director Paul Verhoeven.
qui réalise là son deuxième film français puisque
Second French film, because in 2016-2017 it was Elle with Isabelle Huppert,
et là Benedetta avec
and Benedetta with Virginie Efira
Daphné Patakia.
and Daphne Patakia.
Zita Enro qui monte les marches, Zita Enro donc rouge,
En rouge, vous êtes en rouge.
qui a été bien retardé à cause de la pandémie,
The
mais qui
film
sort enfin
that was
dans toutes les salles à Paris.
delayed because of the pandemic.
On va parler avec Asia Herzi, qui va présenter son
Asia Herzi,
réalisatrice Bonne Mère.
Second film,
Un regard.
Bonne Mère, in un certain regard.
On essaye d'avoir
Try and have
évidemment tous les invités du Festival de Cannes.
all the guests here.
Je vous rappelle que ce soir, c'est la présentation de Benedetta, de Paul Verhoeven, en
Voilà.
compétition
Nous sommes
officielle.
So we are
en bas des marches à côté
on
de
the red carpet
qui prend une
with
petite
the
photo pour pas
Truffle
oublier
Hunters,
ce moment.
taking a photo, not to forget this moment.
Justine Trier, en 2019.
À leur montée.
They've got their red carpet moment.
Qui était déjà à l'affiche de Elle.
Bienvenue sur le tapis.
So welcome to the red carpet of the 74th Cannes Film Festival.
Exceptionnel ce soir,
Exceptional
puisque
event
c'est
tonight because it
Benedetta, le
is
film de
Benedetta,
Paul
the film
Verhoeven. On
to
attend
Paul Verhoeven.
Virginie
We're waiting for Virginie Efira, Daphne Patakia, of course, Mr. Paul Verhoeven,
grand
one of
réalisateur.
the leading directors of the moment. I'm not going to give you his filmography,
On va aussi
but I
parler
think
à
we're going to
Hafsia.
talk to
Hafsia,
Hafsia
Bonjour.
Hafsia Herzi. Hello.
Bonjour.
Hello.
Tout va bien?
Everything okay? Yeah, great. And you?
Présentez ce
Hafsia,
soir votre seconde
this
Bonne Mère.
evening you're presenting Bonne Mère.
C'est demain,
Your
pardon.
second film is tomorrow at 2 o'clock.
Comment ça se passe dans la tête, juste?
What's going through your mind?
Qu'est-ce qui se passe dans la tête?
What's going through your mind when you present the film in Cannes?
Stress,
A lot of stress, a lot of emotion,
une grande fierté.
and very proud. Can you introduce us?
Qui joue Noura, donc le
So
personnage.
Noura, the main character in Bonne Mère,
Elle est comment, réalisatrice?
well, she likes the director. She's wonderful.
Ah, ou elle est... ça va?
I know she's wonderful. She's beautiful.
Racontez-nous un petit peu Bonne Mère. Remettez...
So tell us about Bonne Mère.
L'histoire.
Ouais,
Alors, ça raconte l'histoire de Nora, qui est
What's the story of Noura?
une dame d'une cinquantaine d'années qui va à Marseille dans les quartiers nord.
And she lives in the northern
qui s'occupe de ses
neighborhoods
enfants, et c'est son
of
quotidien.
Marseille, and it's her everyday life until the trial of her son who's in prison.
de la...
How did you ask her? How did she ask you to perform?
Je la laisse répondre.
I'll let her answer this.
Première fois pour Alima.
But Aïma, it's her first film.
On s'est croisés par hasard. Enfin,
Well, we
j'avais
met by chance. I chose Sabrina, her daughter,
accompagné sa fille
who
sur
plays in the
tournage,
film.
et
She
j'ai
came along, and I knew straight away that it had to be Alima in the film
passé
as
le
well.
casting, elle a refusé.
I asked her to cast for it, and then she refused. But then, she finally accepted. But she was an obvious choice. So I'm going to let you go. Thank you very much, Hafsia Herzi. Bonne Mère tomorrow.
Alors que Badjou est avec nous. Vous venez ici, s'il vous plaît. Bonjour Badjou, comment ça va?
Badjou, how are you?
Très bien, Badjou. C'est votre première fois à Cannes.
It's the first time in Cannes for you.
Sur le tapis.
Star of rap on the red carpet here. What's it like? Well, it's an honor. It's an honor to be able to be here, to be invited, to go up the steps that I saw when I was a baby. And so I'm really excited.
Alors, si j'ai bien compris, vous avez un film bientôt qui arrive, c'est ça?
You
Exactement.
got a film coming up? Yeah, absolutely.
Bah, écoutez, ça a été une longue discussion. C'est un
Well,
film.
there was a long discussion, a film that's going to be starting up
fin
at
juillet.
the end of
Et,
July.
voilà, je suis content de vous
And I'm
l'annoncer.
really happy to announce it today
Avec Niels Tavernier,
with Niels Tavernier.
on va produire un film
We're going to produce a film.
comédie romantique.
It's a romantic comedy, it's a rom-com with the support of Canal+.
Je peux pas trop vous
And I
raconter.
can't say too much about it, but I'm not going to tease the story. But what's the title? Ima. Ima.
Le film va s'appeler Imma.
It's going to be called Ima.
C'est quand? Vous tournez quand?
When are you going to start? End of July, we're going to start shooting.
Donc voilà.
C'est une dernière chose, vous allez voir des...
Final thing, you go to see films while you're
Vous
here?
allez voir des films à
You're
Cannes?
going to try and see films?
Oui, bien sûr.
Yeah, of course.
Je vais commencer là tout de
I'm
suite.
going to start now.
Paul Verhoeven préféré.
What's your favorite Paul?
Film de Paul
Your
Verhoeven.
Paul Verhoeven. Your
Robocop.
favorite Paul Verhoeven.
Trooper.
Starship Trooper, Robocop,
Basic Instinct.
Basic Instinct. I like Robocop a lot.
D'accord, merci beaucoup.
Thank you very much.
Merci infiniment.
Thank you, Badjou.
Madame la ministre, comment allez-vous?
Minister, how are you?
Comment se passe
Very
ce
well.
festival de Cannes?
How's the festival going for you? Well, very well. After the sublime film of Lev Carax, Annette, we're going to be thrilled tonight with a French film again.
Benedetta, il paraît que
Benedetta apparently is extremely steamy and sticksy.
Ça y va.
Bon, bah,
Yeah,
on se
it's
réjouit, alors.
pretty hard hitting.
C'est une très bonne soirée.
Well, we're going to have a great evening then.
Semaine,
No, it's a beautiful week. It's a great week for French cinema. We've got all sorts.
des réalisateurs.
We've got directors coming from all over the place as well.
Oui,
Something's happening. Yeah, there's a lot of films, a lot of
demain, je vais
quality
voir Les
films.
Amours d'Anaïs.
Tomorrow we're going to see Les Amours d'Anaïs with Anaïs
Et là, on
Debussy.
est tout à Benedetta.
But we're all here for Benedetta with Virginie Efira. She's wonderful. Charlotte Rampling, Lambert Wilson.
Ah, c'est le bonheur.
It's wonderful. Well, I'll let you go up the steps for the premiere of Benedetta. Thank you, Minister.
120 battements par minute de rebond.
Voilà, donc nous sommes toujours en direct sur le
We're live on the red carpet
du Festival de
of
Cannes.
the Cannes Film Festival.
Ça va, Nahuel Pérez Biscayac est avec nous.
Biscayac is with
Vous
us.
avez un film à la quinzaine, c'est ça?
Oui, qu'on vient de présenter là tout à
You got a
l'heure.
film in the director's fortnight.
Très bien.
How did it go? Oh yeah, it went well. We just presented it. It went well.
El Patron, c'est un film uruguayen. En français, ça va s'appeler.
It's got to be called Employé Employeur.
Avec vous, c'est comme vous avez 25 nationalités, vous pouvez jouer en
You've
25
got
langues.
loads of nationalities. You can play in loads of films.
Ça aide beaucoup, oui,
But it does help a lot.
de boulot qu'on a.
Yeah.
Alors vous êtes un petit peu un enfant de Cannes, on va dire, depuis 120 battements.
Since 105 beats a minute, you know,
Qui en sont sortis.
you're a child of Cannes in a way. How does it change your career as an actor having a sort of screening in Cannes?
Comment ça se trans... Bah, c'est vrai qu'après,
Well, it's true that after a film that has a success like ours,
plus de
you
propositions.
get more proposals
Bah, il y a plus de,
and
il y a plus de possibilités professionnelles.
more professional possibilities.
Pression, quand même. qu'il
A bit
faut
more
aussi,
pressure.
apprendre à confronter, mais ça va, ça se passe bien.
But it's fine.
Vous avez présenté le film, tout s'est bien passé. Maintenant, vous allez.
Everything's fine. You're going
Oui, parce
to make the most of it.
Patakia, mon
Yeah, there's definitely Patakia, my friend, in there, and I really want to support her.
couru en 10 minutes, on s'est habillé.
So, you know, we ran, we got dressed really quickly, so definitely it's important for us, this film.
Et elle est absolument formidable.
And she is outstanding in it.
On ne doute pas.
Eh bien, écoutez, je vais vous laisser monter les.
So I'll let you go up the red carpet, enjoy it, and say hi to your friend for us.
Les Benadir.
Le film s'appelle Employé Patron.
Employé, employeur.
Marocain.
Non, Employé Patron, j'ai vérifié. Merci.
It's called Employé Patron, in fact. A Uruguayan film.
La quinzaine des réalisateurs, vous le savez, ici, il n'y a pas
Presented in the Director's Fortnight. It's not just the film in competition in the Palais. There's
parallèle
parallel sections as well. There's the Critics Week.
Kingsley Benadir.
Et un certain regard, on voit d'ailleurs Azerzi qui
certain
monte les
regard.
marches puisqu'elle présente son film Demain, Bonne Mère, son second
C'est
film en tant que réalisatrice.
Etsy.
Et on attend aussi, on va voir normalement
And we're going to be seeing, I
Sandrine
think,
Kiberlin qui
Sandrine Kiberlin
présentait son film en ouverture de Un certain
presenting
regard
her
hier.
film. She presented her film yesterday in A Certain Regard.
Encore dans
C'était à la semaine de la critique en séance spéciale.
Sorry, in Critics Week, rather.
Qui va bien.
Une jeune fille qui
Toute
va
la famille
bien.
Kiberlin fait des films puisque
All people, all the Kiberlin family are making
on a
films.
vu le film de sa
We
fille
saw her daughter's film,
Suzanne Lindon,
Suzanne Landon,
qui aurait dû faire partie
16
de la sélection
printemps, should have been in the
canadienne,
Cannes selection
donc la
last
maman
week.
cette année qui
Last year rather.
de la critique.
And then her mother presented
On en
the film
parlera
in Critics
dans un
Week.
moment.
We'll talk about that in a moment.
Alors qu'à l'image, on voit Mélanie
And there we
Laurent,
can see Melanie Laurent and Jessica
membre du
Osner,
jury, qu'on va
members of the jury.
apercevoir.
We'll see in a moment.
Non, là, on n'a pas le droit de leur parler au membre du
We're
jury.
not allowed to interview them, of course.
Jessica Osner.
Voilà. Roselyne Bachelot, les voilà. Les voilà.
Bachelot there.
Mélanie Laurent et Jessica
Mélanie Laurent,
Osner.
Jessica Osner.
Également membre du jury.
La
Jessica
réalisatrice
Osner,
de
director
Little Joe,
of Little Joe 2 years ago,
le prix de la
which
meilleure actrice pour
won
Melanie Beecham et bien
Best
sûr Mélanie
Actress for Melanie Beecham.
L'habitude de Cannes aussi bien
And,
en actrice qu'en réalisatrice. Souvenir
Melanie Laurent, of course, unforgettable moment when she danced with Quentin Tarantino
en
for
avant-première
the
sur les marches
premiere screening
de
of
Inglourious.
Glorious Bastards.
On va peut-être essayer de dire un petit mot quand même à
Maybe we'll try and have a quick word with a member of the jury.
Autre membre du
Spike Lee et Maggie Gyllenhaal sont là. Normalement,
Spike Lee, Maggie Gyllenhaal, normally we're not allowed to, but we'll try and get a word in
pour savoir comment ça se passe.
just to see how it's going.
Voilà Spike qui arrive.
Spike's coming over.
Il est en bas des marches.
I think he's at the red carpet there.
On va essayer de lui parler dans un instant.
We'll try and have a word in a moment.
foulé le tapis rouge.
Hiya Maggie. Maggie,
Maggie,
just a quick word. How are you? I'm not going to ask you anything about the movie. I'm not allowed. But how is the atmosphere between you guys in the jury?
Today was our first jury meeting. Did everybody tell you? It was great. It was kind of amazing to see how different everybody is in terms of how we all feel about the movies.
It's great. It must be a very inspiring experience, is it?
It's a very inspiring experience, yes.
All right. Merci beaucoup, Maggie.
Merci à vous.
Infiniment. Mathie, ça va?
Très
Vous allez bien?
Merveilleusement bien.
Wonderfully well. Matty Diop, you're part of this jury of the 74th Cannes Film Festival. The press conference, you said all the time it's not the 74th festival, it's the first festival of the 21st century. Because of COVID, because of what happened, because of the change in cinema.
Je pense que c'est une phrase qui a sonné.
I think it's something that rang out with everybody, rang out to everybody. We're at a turning point, and we know that not just a before and an after, but there's a change in century now. Everything good in the jury? Today was our first meeting after the 5 films we had. We're all a bit worried, you know, in a way, because it's the heart of everything, and it went really well. It was great to hear everybody's opinions.
On est très contents, on est
And we're really happy, we're reassured, and that's it now. We're ready to get in the tunnel now. I really want to talk about the films, but you're not allowed to. I'd love to too, but I'm not allowed to either. Thank you so much, Matty.
Voilà donc les membres du jury.
So the members of the jury coming to the films in competition, they're allowed to
quand ils le veulent à toutes les projections.
come to all the screens when they want. Josh O'Connor
Mothering Sunday, le film
in Mothering Sunday.
Standing right here. Josh O'Connor, you play in Mothering Sunday, the new film by Eva Husson. How was it to work with Eva?
It was amazing. She's an incredibly talented director, and it's beautiful to have a French director tell a kind of very British story. It was a real treat.
Josh, thank you so much. We're going to let you go and
thanks so
thank
much.
you so much.
Have a
Thank
nice
you.
festival. See you.
Thank you. Alors que Sandrine Kiberlin et
Sandrine Kiberlin and Rebecca.
Ça va, Sandrine?
Is that Sandrine?
S'il vous plaît, vous mettre ici. Bonjour Rebecca. Bonjour.
Rebecca, how are you?
Alors, hier soir, Sandrine, Rebecca.
Yesterday, Sandrine, Rebecca, you presented Une Jeune Fille qui va bien at the Critics Week. What was it like? It was wonderful, lots of emotion. It was very powerful. Apparently, the ovation lasted for many, many minutes.
Qu'est-ce qui se passe là?
Il se passe que
What happens?
on repense à tout le film.
Well, you think about the whole film, you know, when I was all by myself in my room thinking about, then you're sort of thrust up here with Rebecca, with the actors that were with me, with everybody.
Moi, j'adore cette sélection de la.
I love the selection of the Critics Week, and I'm really proud. I'm proud of my lead actress, Rebecca. What's she like as a director?
Une générosité.
She's so generous. It's unbelievably generous.
Comme ça?
Ah non.
Ouais.
Enfin, si.
No,
mais qui donne.
no, but she's direct, but gives you so much freedom.
C'était très travaillé.
And it was great to work with her.
On est tous contents de revenir.
Everybody says that they're happy to get back to a festival to relive cinema. Why is it important for you? Why is it important to have a film this year in particular?
On aime le cinéma, on est tous unis.
Because we love cinema, we're all united by
On a
this.
été privés pendant un an.
We've been deprived for a year. We've been deprived of 1,000 other things, but cinema is a dream.
C'est vraiment le
At Cannes,
petit pays du cinéma.
it's a sort of little principality of film, if you like, and we're all in love with this, and we're very happy to be part of it, to be part of this little country.
Rebecca, vous revenez un peu là.
And Rebecca, you're coming back next week. There's Desplechin.
Je serai pas là, malheureusement.
I won't be here, unfortunately. No, I'll be shooting.
Les films, il faut les faire aussi.
Voilà.
Ah, you got to make films too. So there you go. Anyway, thank you so much. We'll leave you on the red carpet.
Merci,
Thank
très
you.
bonne soirée. Sandrine Kiberlin.
Sandrine Kiberlin.
Qui était donc avec nous. Elles ont présenté le premier film de Sandrine
The
Kiberlin.
first film of Sandrine Kiberlin as a director
De la semaine.
in the opening of the Critics
Spike Lee est là, mais
Week. Spike Lee is here,
je crois pas qu'il veuille parler.
but I don't think he wants to speak.
Je peux essayer, mais je pense que je vais me
Try,
faire
but I think
balader,
I'll
donc,
get
je vais pas y aller.
sent away, so I won't give it a try. No, I'll go on, I'll give it a try.
On essaye quand même.
We'll give it a try and see what happens. Normally we're not allowed to go here, but
Allons-y.
we'll go, give it a whirl.
Saïd, ça va?
Saïd, how are you?
Pardon, je viens de croiser le producteur de Benedetta.
The producer of Benedetta.
Mais d'abord, on va
We'll have a word in a moment. We'll have a word with Spike if we can.
Thérèse Biscayar est avec nous ce soir.
Spike? Spike, hey.
César du meilleur espoir.
No interviews. No interviews. Just everything all right. No interviews. No interviews. Pas de problème, Monsieur le Président.
No problem. You are the king of Cannes.
Je prenne quelques vins. Et bien on va parler à Saïd.
And so Saïd,
Saïd, je vous prends 2 secondes à l'antenne.
a couple of words with us to talk about the film.
Dans le film, Manuel Nieto.
Saïd Ben Saïd, vous êtes le producteur de Benedetta. C'est le
You're the producer of Benedetta. It's the big night tonight, a night you've been waiting for. Waiting, because the film should have been in Cannes last year.
Il aurait dû être à Cannes.
Well, it should have been in Cannes in 2019, and Paul Verhoeven had a health problem, and so it should have been in Cannes in 2020, and we're in Cannes this year.
C'était tellement inattendu.
It was so unexpected.
Et le film en même temps est
And the film at the same time is so long awaited, so much so that people are going to be disappointed. They're bound to be. No, I saw it. I wasn't disappointed.
C'est un metteur en scène, on le sait, sulfureux, comme vous le dites.
And so everybody, they're expecting for a very torrid thing, but he's really professional and to tell stories, that better than anybody. What's it like working with him?
Défendre son cinéma avec
How would you defend his cinema? How would you defend his style?
Je travaille avec beaucoup de cinéastes
I've worked with lots of different filmmakers, and he's the one whose films I like naturally without any effort.
Son cinéma, c'est mon genre.
His films are my type. It's my type of film.
Merci infiniment.
So thank you so much.
Les producteurs, je vois aussi.
The producers.
2 autres coproducteurs du film qui sont là. Alors que Virginie Efira vient.
Virginie Efira has just arrived.
Les autographes, on va la laisser.
She's signing autographs. We'll leave her to sign the autographs.
C'est important qu'il y ait cette rencontre.
It's important to have this encounter with the audiences, with the public.
Virginie Efira.
Virginie Efira.
J'ai vu dans le film
It
précédent.
was in Paul Verhoeven's previous film. She played Isabelle Huppert's neighbor in Elle.
Belle rencontre avec Paul Verhoeven qui
So a great film with Paul Verhoeven.
en ce Benedetta.
And now she's become Benedetta. A film that took a long time to come, but there we are. And I saw it. I can tell you that it is here. There's some very curious premonitory sequences of what happened last year.
Je vous laisse le découvrir.
But I'll leave you to discover that.
Parce que c'est un film de Paul Verhoeven et les films de
Film from Paul Verhoeven, and Paul Verhoeven films.
savoir le moins possible.
You want to know as little as possible and discover them yourself. Paul Verhoeven, who's taking selfies.
Clotilde Courreau qui est là aussi. Elle est dans le
Clotilde
film.
Courreau there as well. She's in the film.
Maman de Virginie Efira.
Virginie Efira's mother, who takes her to the convent at the beginning of the film.
Résumer très vite le
Just to
film.
summarize the film, Virginie Efira plays Benedetta
Couvent moyenâgeux
in a medieval convent.
dans tous les sens du terme.
And she is mad about God in all senses of the term.
Elle va
And
pouvoir la
she
découvrir.
dreamed of
Le
becoming
problème, c'est qu'elle a
a
une
nun,
relation très spéciale
but
avec
she has a very special relationship with Jesus,
ainsi qu'avec une des
and
autres
also with
nonnes de ce couvent.
one of the other nuns in the convent.
Est-elle une sainte? Est-elle
Is she a saint? Is she faking it? Is she power crazed? Is she in love?
vouée à Dieu?
Is she devoted to God?
Comment est traitée la religion dans le
How is religion dealt with?
Donc, vous pouvez vous
So
attendre à tout
Verhoeven,
et
so
je
you
vous promets
can
que vous
expect
aurez
anything there, and you will have everything.
Daphné Patakia qui est là. Bonjour Daphné, c'est pour Canal+. Vous voulez bien venir ici? On va vous interviewer, s'il vous plaît.
So, if we could just have
Dans la lumière.
a word in the light, please.
C'est parfait.
Perfect.
Daphné Patakia qui est
Daphne Patakia,
principal de
one of the
ce
leading roles in Benedetta.
révélation de vous voir dans le
A
film.
revelation to see you in the film. Were you expecting that? Were you expecting
Ce qui est devenu le film en le
the
faisant.
film to become what it has?
Attendez à quoi
À ce
What
qui
was I
est devenu le
expecting?
film quand vous étiez sur le tournage. il y a
Were you
3 ans
expecting
maintenant.
this film 3 years ago? No.
Quand on tourne un film,
When you
on se
make a
projette
film,
pas forcément
you don't
dans
project
l'histoire de comment ça va
into what it's going to be afterwards, what the career of the film's going to be afterwards.
tellement
And so I'm just so
il
happy
y a 3 ans.
because we made it 3 years ago. So
de retrouver toute l'équipe,
so it's a sort of a second wind to see everybody now, and
c'est un moment
so it's a very special, moving moment for me. I'm very
Justement,
moved.
comment ça s'est passé les retrouvailles?
What was it like when you met up again? Because it's been a while now.
On était dans les bras, on a fait la fête. C'était
I mean, you hug, you party. Now we haven't partied yet, but tonight I think we're going to be partying after the screening. Can we come?
si vous voulez.
If you want, yeah, I'm sure, of
venir
course.
aussi.
Tout le monde peut
Everybody can come. Come along. No, I'm joking.
En même temps, je sais vraiment pas où c'est.
No, I've got no idea where it is even.
Tout à l'heure qui vient voir parce que vous êtes une bonne copine, c'est
C'est
ça?
un bon ami. Oui, Nahuel, oui, c'est un très bon.
Yeah, and it was Nael Irelivan is a good friend, so
Merci.
well done, Daphne.
Et je crois que
And
votre réalisateur est là.
I think your director is here. Hello.
Ça va?
Oui,
venez,
ça va.
venez là, s'il vous plaît.
You can come over here. Thank you, Daphne.
Of course.
In English.
Vous voulez pas en français?
Not in French?
Trop difficile.
No, it's too hard.
Je suis
Ça
donc...
va. Non, mais...
On fait un essai et puis si vous voulez, vous
We'll try it.
Je suis donc avec Paul
So
Verhoeven.
I'm with Paul Verhoeven, director of Benedetta, the film presented this evening in Cannes after a long time,
Vous avez vécu.
a long wait. How did you experience the problems?
C'était terrible.
It was terrible,
C'est très étrange
and it's very strange for me
de parler de ce film.
to talk about this film,
Il y a 3
which I
ans.
made 3 years ago.
C'est difficile.
It's difficult,
C'est difficile du point de vue social, mais certainement
but
qu'on a fait un film
when you make a film,
et on doit
it's
attendre
difficult enough, and then when you've got to wait
2 ans et demi
2.5 years
voir
to see
et
it,
le donner au public.
and before you can give it to the audience,
C'est très ennuyeux,
it's really difficult.
extrêmement difficile.
It's particularly
C'est pas
difficult.
grave, ça valait le coup d'attendre. Moi, j'ai
But it was worth waiting for. I've seen the film and it was worth waiting for.
Ah, mais j'espère que vous avez raison.
Well, I hope you're right. I hope you're right.
Benedetta, d'où vient l'histoire?
Where does the story of Benedetta come from? The story of this nun who
J'ai
becomes
trouvé ça
God-crazed.
Dans un petit livre
I found it in a book
qui est écrit par un écrivain
written by
américain,
an American writer,
professeur d'histoire,
a professor of history,
trouvé les
who
notes
found
du procès
notes,
de Benedetta,
who found the notes of the trial of Benedetta
Florence
in archives in Florence
84.
in 1984.
Benedetta qui est là.
So your Benedetta is here.
Benedetta.
Here is Benedetta. This is Benedetta.
Ça va, Virginie?
Ça va pas mal.
How are you, Virginie?
Paul, vous pouvez rester.
Non, mais
Paul, you can stay.
dis que tu peux rester.
Comment?
He said you can stay.
With me if you want.
Stay derrière toi, c'est tout pour
No, I'll stay behind you.
Pas
So it was fine with him. Yeah, not bad at all.
Pour moi, oui.
He's one of the greatest directors for me, for a lot of people.
Oui, et ça l'était
Yeah.
dès l'adolescence. en
And
fait.
even since I was a teenager, but, you know, Basic Instinct and everything, I discovered his American filmography and I discovered his Dutch films later.
Comme amour cinématographique.
But I think cinematographically, I don't know for you, but it's very teenage and it never changes.
C'est particulier d'avoir
And it's very special to experience these 3 months of shooting. It was intense but very harmonious.
3 ans de ça.
It was 3 years ago.
Le film ne sortirait jamais.
I thought this film would never come out.
Il y a un petit problème de santé, donc le film a été reculé. Ensuite,
So Paul was in bad health and then it had to be pushed back, then there was a pandemic. So now 3 years later, here it is.
moi, je pense que ça valait vraiment le coup d'attendre.
I think it was worth waiting for, you're right?
J'espère, oui.
Well, I hope so, yeah. I think so.
Je trouve que c'est absolument merveilleux.
I think it's
Aujourd'hui,
wonderful
on voit
today.
une uniformisation.
There's a uniformization, if you like, there's a homogenization of substance and form. But to have somebody so young, he's so young,
Libre
in
dans sa
fact, and
manière
so
de raconter
free
les choses.
in the way he tells his stories, the way he tells deep, intelligent things, but with humor.
Qui est quand même,
I mean, we all know what his films are like, but it's wonderful. It's a cinema which is not just entertaining, but it's accessible. And this is what I felt when I discovered his films, and it opens up to all sorts of different worlds. You know, aesthetically, politically, everything is different.
Il y a un truc
It
aussi,
was
c'est un
fantastic.
raconteur d'histoire comme personne.
And he tells stories like nobody else. He's got a very specific, particular style. That's why I said he's accessible as well, because he's got a narrative genius.
Parce que c'était vrai pour ses films hollandais aussi, il y avait de la
It was the same for his previous films as well. Yeah.
Ah oui, si vous n'avez pas vu Turkish Delight, par exemple, c'est mon préféré.
Yeah, Torquegila is fantastic.
Je crois que je vais devoir vous laisser monter.
I'm going to have to let you go on the red carpet. Thank you so much. You're wonderful in this film. Thank you very much. That's so kind.
Merci.
Thank you.
Virginie Efira, donc,
Virginie
était avec nous
Efira
pour
was
parler
with us.
Comme personne de son réalisateur Paul Verhoeven, avec qui elle vient représenter ce soir en avant-première mondiale au festival
So here at the Cannes Film Festival,
Benedetta. Le
Benedetta,
film le plus attendu dans
the
tous les
most
sens, un des
awaited
films
film
de cette quinzaine
of this
attendu parce que
fortnight. It was much awaited because we should have seen it 3 years ago.
Mais souvenez-vous, Paul Verhoeven a eu un petit
But Paul Verhoeven had a little health problem, but he's much better now.
Et ensuite, on s'est retrouvés.
And then, of course, we were all stuck at home.
Pas de festival de Cannes l'année dernière.
No Cannes Film
Le
Festival
producteur
last
du film
year.
a réfléchi et s'est dit.
The producer said, well, what do we do? Do we bring it out or do we wait? And he decided to wait.
Une
It was
production à Cannes.
an easy decision, I think, for them. They waited for the festival. Thierry Frémaux, the general delegate, and Pierre Lescourt, the president of the festival,
Lui ont dit, ne
said,
t'inquiète pas,
don't
si
worry,
tu attends,
if you wait,
Verhoeven,
you'll be
qui est
selected.
habitué du
Verhoeven, of
festival
course,
de
has been
Cannes,
here many times
qui présente
before.
Basic
He
Instinct.
presented Basic Instinct
Une
here.
soirée absolument
An incredible,
inoubliable
unforgettable
festival
evening at the
Sharon
festival
Stone,
with Sharon Stone,
Michael Douglas
who was
aussi.
here, and Michael Douglas
Et
too.
depuis, bien sûr,
And
l'explosion
since then, the
de
explosion
le film avec
with
Isabelle
Elle,
Huppert,
with Isabelle Huppert,
qui rapportait un Oscar.
which almost won an Oscar for Isabelle Huppert. It wasn't
Et
far
voilà,
off. And there we have the Carnival of the Animals,
La montée des marches
Saint-Saëns,
de Benedetta.
the red carpet, the steps for Benedetta.
Présenté en compétition
Voilà donc Paul Verhoeven à
Paul
l'image.
Verhoeven.
14e Festival de Cannes. Son réalisateur, le néerlandais
Paul Verhoeven, Virginie
Paul Verhoeven, Virginie Efira, Clotilde Courreau, who
la maman
plays
de Virginie Efira.
Virginie Efira's mother when she's little, when she takes her to the convent.
Alors évidemment, ce monsieur Paul Verhoeven
Of course, Paul Verhoeven,
est un réalisateur très rebelle, très engagé, et
rebellious, committed, engagé director,
a traité plusieurs fois de
and he's talked
l'Église dans ses films.
about the church a lot
Avec un petit
in his
décalage,
films.
qu'on puisse dire. Et là, c'est exactement la même chose.
And this was the
Ce
same
côté un petit peu
thing.
ailleurs, un petit peu rebelle, un petit peu contestataire qu'il a tous.
And again, this sort of rebel spirit that we see.
Et en plus, c'est un des plus grands cinéastes.
And he's one of the greatest filmmakers in the world around today.
Clotilde Courreau, que l'on voit ici.
Clotilde Courreau, we can see here.
De nouveau après elle.
Et Daphné Patakia, que l'on découvre.
Daphné
ici,
Patakia.
c'est vraiment la révélation du film. Elle joue
Revelation of the film, she plays
l'ami, on va dire l'ami de
the friend of Benedetta in the film. And I will say no more.
Langue étrangère.
On voit aussi Olivia Bourdin, qui est
Olivia
Et
Bourdin,
le Goya du meilleur film européen. Paul Verhoeven, c'est son
on l'avait vu,
Olivier
compétition
Rabourdin.
dans Grâce de
He
Monaco.
was in Grâce de Monaco 2014.
Bien sûr.
And of course, Men and Gods 2010.
Charlotte Rampling, mais elle n'est pas là.
There's Charlotte Rampling in the film. She's astounding in the film, but she's not here tonight. And Virginie
Mais quelle actrice,
Efira,
Virginie,
Virginie
c'est
Efira, incredible actress.
en train de se faire
Her career is really establishing itself now. An exceptional actress.
on le savait déjà, hein, mais là c'est
We
vraiment
knew it already, but
la confirmation
it's
absolue.
been confirmed.
Virginie Efira qui était déjà venue
Virginie Efira,
à Cannes
who's been to Cannes already,
avec Victoria,
with Victoria in Critics Week,
et puis Le Grand Bain bien sûr en 2018.
and of course Sink or Swim 2018, Gilles Lelouch's film, presented at two
Il y a 2
competitions.
ans, j'allais dire l'année dernière, il y a 2 ans.
And then 2 years ago, in 2019, she was in competition
Avec Sibylle,
with Sybil
Justine Trier.
from Justine Trier.
Partie de ces actrices, c'est
She's one of these actors who
des dimensions nouvelles à chaque
we discover something new about whom we discover something new every time, and she seems absolutely bottomless in a way, endless talent,
et
and she's playing a role that not everybody would accept it, but she does it so intelligently, with so powerfully, and it's admirable to watch. And Daphne Patakia,
vraiment la révélation du film. Hein, c'est,
a revelation of the film.
elle était dans Diam en 2017.
She was in
Tony Gatliff.
Tony Gatliff's Jam
On l'a vu
2017.
les amateurs de séries télé, c'est une des
Jam.
actrices récurrentes de la
She's
série.
in the series OVNI on Canal Plus in France.
Elle était aussi dans la série Versailles, mais un rôle moins
In
important.
the series Versailles, with a smaller role.
Daphné Patakia, alors que c'est
Daphne Patakia, there's you see Virginie Efira.
en plus
Virginie Efira. Virginie Efira.
Comédienne belgo-grecque.
et de l'actrice Daphné Patakia,
And Daphne Patakia.
la ministre Roselyne
There we have Rosine Bachelot, the Minister of
Amima,
Culture, waiting for them,
Lescure,
with Pierre Lescure and Thierry Frémaux.
Clotilde Courreau à l'image. Clotilde, la dernière fois qu'on l'a vue à
Last time we saw Clotilde
Zlotowski, une fille facile qui était avec
was
la
Une fille facile, Rebecca Zlotowski.
Elle a 2 films cette année.
And she's got 2 films this week.
En spécial, Les
One
Héroïques
is L'Héroïque,
de Maxime Roy. Et
Maxime Roy, special screening, and Benedetta. The 7th film in competition, I think. I always get it wrong when I start that, so I won't say anything.
Le film en compétition de la
So the film in competition this
de la journée. Il y a
evening,
une montée des marches tout à l'heure.
steps
Et voilà,
this evening,
l'accueil de
and the reception
du festival et de Madame
of the festival, and the minister
Benedetta.
for Benedetta.
Alors vous regardez la montée des marches et puis après vous pourrez
The red carpet, and then you can go
puisque le film
to a local cinema in France and see it. You can see the film. It's coming out today.
Voilà donc, nous sommes
So
sur les marches
we are on the red carpet of the festival palace.
Benedetta, alors que Virginie Efira commence à dancer, va rentrer dans la salle et le film
They're going to be going into the theatre, and the film will be presented
en avant-première mondiale au
as a world
festival
premiere to
en
the Cannes
compétition.
Film Festival.
Croyez-moi, je pense que l'on
And
reparlera
I'm sure that we'll be talking about this film
de Virginie
and
Efira
Virginie Efira
au moment du palmarès.
when the awards are given out. I'm sure that we'll talk about this film. Virginie Efira.
Producteurs Saïd Ben Saïd, Michel Merck et Jérôme Sédou, président de Pathé. Pour accompagner donc Paul Verhoeven dans cette montée des marches. Pour son
Voilà donc, nous
17e
sommes
long-métrage.
toujours en direct
So we're still
pour la montée
live
des marches
for the
de Benedetta.
red carpet
Montée des
of
marches
Benedetta.
attendue.
It was much awaited.
14e Festival de Cannes.
Here it is tonight at the
Regardez
74th
Virginie Efira,
Festival de Cannes.
de Corot,
Clotilde Corot, Virginie Efira, Daphne Patakia, Olivier Rabourdin,
Monsieur Paul
and
Verhoeven,
Mr. Paul Verhoeven.
metteur en scène absolument
An
extraordinaire.
amazing director.
Et Michel Merck.
Saïd Ben Saïd, Michel Merck, 2 producers of the film.
Allez-y, allez voir le film, hein, il est en
Go and
salle.
see the film.
Faites chez vous, foncez.
If you get an opportunity, go and see it.
On ne peut pas montrer de film, on aimerait bien, mais on n'a pas le droit.
We can't show you any excerpts.
Donc allez-y, c'est juste à côté.
But go and see it. Go and see it. It's only you.
Vous ne le regretterez pas.
You won't regret it.
Ce qui est sûr avec les films de Paul
What's sure
Verhoeven,
with Paul Verhoeven's films
ça ressemble à aucun autre de
is
ce que
that
vous
they're like nothing that you've ever seen before.
Voilà, on va rester avec eux jusqu'à ce qu'ils rentrent dans la
Stay
salle.
with them until they get into the theatre.
Ovation exceptionnelle.
We'll see the exceptional ovation I'm sure that he'll get.
Pour la montée des marches de notre film en compétition officielle, la fracture.
Voilà donc. Nous sommes donc à l'intérieur du palais
So
avec
we're
toute
in
l'équipe de Benedetta,
the festival hall.
Virginie
Crew
Efira,
from Benedetta.
Daphne Patakia, Clotilde Corot,
Virginie Efira,
Olivier Rabourdin.
Patakia.
Et leur metteur en scène, il est où? Il est où Paul? Il est passé où Paul
Where's
Verhoeven?
Paul Verhoeven? Where's he gone?
On met nos masques parce que sinon ils disent on veut un masque. Et si j'enlève mes masques, je suis sûr qu'ils comprennent ce que je dis.
Voilà. Donc ils attendent tous de pouvoir rentrer dans le palais.
They were all waiting to get in to the theatre.
Le lobby.
They're there in the lobby.
Les images que vous vivez
And you see
en
these
direct
images live
des festivals.
on Telefestival.
C'est bon, il est parti, ça se passe. Ah, ok.
Superbe Virginie, Clotilde et Daphné
Virginie, Clotilde, Daphné,
qui attendent leur réalisateur avant de
waiting for the director before they go into the theatre.
pour un film qui, je pense que vous
For a film that
montrez quand la prochaine marche c'est à 21h, c'est
I think it's at 9 o'clock,
21h30 pardon, pour Fracture.
9:30 for La Fracture. Catherine Corsini's film. I'm sure that we'll have some
Et
extracts then,
réaction du public,
or at least the reaction
réaction
of
du public.
the audience.
Je pense que ça doit
I am sure that it's going to be
maintenant
something special.
Les metteurs en scène disent un petit
And now the director say a little word as well at the end of the applause.
mot. Et quand Paul parle, Paul parle.
When Paul speaks, he speaks.
Voilà donc, on attend toujours Paul
So
Verhoeven.
we're waiting for Paul Verhoeven to go in.
Virginie est en pleine discussion.
Virginie talking with somebody. I don't know who it is.
Ah, il est là, elle nous dit.
So here he is.
Voilà. Il est là, nous a dit Virginie. On va pouvoir y aller.
So we'll be able to go in.
Okay, let's go. Let's go. Oui, oui. Follow us.
On va laisser écouter.
You can hear the
La réserve à M. Paul Verhoeven.
Paul Verhoeven.
Virginie Efira, Daphné Patakia, Paul
Virginie
Verhoeven.
Efira, Paul Verhoeven, Daphné Patakia.
Ils arrivent au milieu de la salle, ils vont s'installer sur le rang I.
We're going to settle down in row I.
L'équipe du film.
Everybody from
Benedetta.
Benedetta.
L'installation, la projection va bientôt commencer.
So it's going to begin soon.
Virginie somptueuse qui regarde cette salle pleine à craquer.
Looking at the packed theatre. And everybody with a mask on.
Voilà donc, ils vont s'installer.
So they're going to settle down.
Et Benedetta va pouvoir
And
commencer.
Benedetta will begin.
Paul qui applaudit le public.
Paul Verhoeven applauding the audience.
Voilà donc l'installation sur le rang I.